Hey there, Mac users and Mac Automators. This is Shivanu with Mac Automation Tips. Hey, in this particular video, I'm going to talk about Grammarly and why I think it's one of the best app subscriptions that I have. And I know you probably know about Grammarly, but you may not know how powerful it is. So stick around and check it out. All right, so basically I've been using Grammarly for like almost 2 years now, and I'm telling you, it is one of the applications in which I feel like that when I use it every day, multiple times a day, it's actually doing work for me. A lot of apps you subscribe to, you have to still do the work, but this one is doing work for me and saving me time. So let me show you what I mean. So I'm opening a little unedited note here in my mem here. So my mem notebook, which I really, really enjoy. But anyway, when you have, Grammarly installed on your computer, it will open up in any text editor application, right? And it will indicate some edits that you need to make or some changes you can make here. And so you see that, and this one here is just one. This was produced by MemChat, right? So just a quick little AI generated text. But you see in Mem here, it can go through and it will show what I need to correct here. So basically the sentence is, these tools have not only streamlined my workflow, but also streamlined my workflow and made my, I would say my original sentence is, these tools have not only streamlined my workflow and made my day-to-day tasks more enjoyable. So it says, take this out and says, these tools streamline my workflow and made my day-to-day tasks more enjoyable. So you see how it gets rid of the wordiness and it's much more direct. So if I want to accept this, I can accept it or I can dismiss it, which means they will keep it, for example. So I just do that here. Same thing goes down to the bottom, to the next one here. So here's change this phrase in here, understanding where my hours go each day, understand where my daily hours go. Much more direct there. Same thing here. Saving me a ton of time, saving me much time. So sometimes that's a stylistic difference here. So you might, I might decide to keep that, right? Some of these are stylistic. Again here, so choice and chore and a breeze, more of a breeze. I'll get rid of that. Well, whoops. Well, I meant to keep that, but it's okay. And then you go here, time tracking. A lot of times, it does hyphenate two words when they should be. So I would definitely keep that one there. Same thing here is excellent, great. Again, style change. Go down here. So it says, these are my go-to apps for screen recording and quick note-taking, respectively. Yes, you really don't need it. So I would take that and accept it. Now, another thing you can do here is that you can come down to here and just kind of go through these one at a time. So you don't have to go through the entire article, and it will tell you like what it wants to correct here. So it's saying there's a space needs to be, we can get rid of that one. So you can update all of these because they're the same thing, same problem here. So you can update them all. And then again, this is a kind of a style thing, such as smart search or intelligent search. Definitely want to say smart search because it's a particular term that, so I want to dismiss that one there. A ton of time, much time. I'll dismiss that one. It's maybe accept that one there. This is a powerful tool. This is a powerful tool that, and a lot of times I love it because it gets rid of those words like that in your sentences, which I tend to use a lot when I'm writing. Even though AI did the writing for me here, it still, puts those words that you really don't need that. So we want to rewrite for more clarity. Okay. And then we'll keep that one there. And, so use this version here. And get rid of the comma there. And let's see here, this says, this is my digital journal of choice. It's an excellent space for me to reflect, brainstorm, and document. It's an excellent space for so yeah, you really don't need me because it's assumed that it's talking about me. So we just accept that one there. and we can go here and accept this one here. As always, I'm here to answer any questions you might have or to explain how I use these tools more fully. Okay, so you can look and see if that's something that you wanted. So I like that version there. Now, another thing is that I think in a little bit late last year, the Grammarly started incorporating even more AI. So you can take this and say, if I wanted to select it and then click and say improve it here. Okay. Says this is my favorite acknowledgement. It's like a second brain that remembers everything for me. So I could say, change that if I feel like it's a lot better, or I can make it assertive, or I can say to shorten it. And then they have some other options here, which I rarely use these, but there's some other options that you can do. Simplify, make it sound more professional, make it sound more confident, constructive, diplomatic. So you can get into some real stylistic kind of things here as well. So basically, when I'm writing an article, a lot of times, I would use this because it really cleans up my text here and cleans up my writing, and it just cuts down on a lot of the editing I have to do, a lot of the proofreading I have to do. And so I think Grammarly is about $140 for the premium version. You can use the free version, but I think it's about $140, and to me, it's well worth that amount, because it just saves me a lot of time, and it's like having my own personal editor. So if you have not tried Grammarly yet, I would definitely give it a try. Try the free version first and see how it works. It also works on iOS and iPad, iPhone and things of that sort. Really works well there. I would say for the most part, it is anywhere between 95 to 98% accurate. And again, you get used to just using it. I use it throughout the day because I do write a lot. So if you write a lot, and you just want to, get your writing better edited or have more clarity in your writing, you definitely should check it out. So let me know what you think about Grammarly. If you ever used it before, and if you have any questions, definitely drop it in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.